Rally around, everyone, and attention forward. We have a scenario that originally came in as an active shooter, but is turning into something a bit more complicated. We can't afford delays over traffic. Dispatch has received some calls coming our way detailing gunshots occurring at a Chico's restaurant chain out in Huerta Mesa, an arid border town. Reports stated the shooting started in the parking lot, and those involved are believed to be both inside and outside the building. Initially reported as a possible active shooter, patrol arrived on the scene and found it was a gunfight between what we believe are rival factions involving multiple suspects. The patrol units have locked down the area before they could flee the scene and come under light fire, but everything seems to be contained within the building. We have confirmed civilians are inside the restaurant. However, no indications of them being injured or held hostage at this time. The 911 calls we received made it sound like a random dispute between two groups that escalated into gunfire. However, I just got off the phone with detectives from the Criminal Intelligence Division, and this particular Chico's has popped up in a number of their cases. We have good reason to believe that there is more to this than just being a random shooting between some angry guys in the middle of nowhere. Dispatch received a panicked call days prior from its manager, who had seemingly been forced into whatever clandestine operation lay within the restaurant. It's an open secret that Chico's as a company has been embroiled in controversy over rumored cartel involvement, with certain restaurant locations being used as fronts for various operations. Huerta Mesa is a notorious hotbed for cartel activity. All along the border fence line in the town is La Familia Cardenas territory, a cross-border cartel that is as dangerous as they are unpredictable and elusive. Detectives have kept their eye on the company and its network chain of operations for a while now. At first glance, a shootout points to some cartel-related affairs, and it's between the Cardenas family and Los Suenos' most persistent thorns in our side, Los Locos. But neither of them will be happy seeing us arrive. So it's likely going to be all guns our direction upon arrival. Be aware of your surroundings. This is a dangerous area in the open plains off the highway. Additionally, expect open areas with little coverage. This could be our chance to bag a couple of Los Locos and Cardenas family members, and if we're lucky, ones of some notoriety. While getting things under control without the loss of civilian life is paramount, if we can make some inroads in weakening the cartel's stronghold in our border towns, then their operations will take a significant hit, and that's something both sides of the fence will appreciate. The location has two entrances. The primary entry point is via the main doors on side 1. The second is via the rear parking lot on side 2. Check your tablets for the layout. If anybody has anything to say, they'd better make it good. Otherwise, we need to leave now. It's a long drive, and we have no time to lose.
Right with you.
This is Talk. Suspects are refusing to negotiate. You are clear to move in.
Drop the weapon and get down! Police, get down! Is it worth your life? Police, hands on your head! Put your hands up!
Like beaten out.
Turn around. Got him. Don't make this worse than yourself. You gonna move? Lead to Talk. Secured. Safe. Evidence secured.
Entry team, this is Talk. Trailers incoming. Proceed with caution.
Police, get down! Police! Don't move! Police, come out! Police, don't move! Get out of there now! Get right back. LSPD! Moving in the handcuffs. Come out now! LSPD! Hands up! Don't move! Police! Hands up! Above your head!
Turn around, don't get up. We've got this under control.
To talk. Civilian is good to go. Right.
Doc here. Send him.
You don't even know I am here.
Hands up!
Hands in the air.
Put your hands up! Police, get down!
Moving into handcuffs.
Stay here, stay calm.
He's over there.
Good to go.
This is Talk. Great work, entry team. Keep it up.
Police, get down on the ground!
Bullshit, man. Just go easy.
Stay where you are.
Secured. Evidence good. Evidence secured.
Post up.
I'm on it.
Use the wand. Check for targets.
It's open. We're good to go. Mirror ready.
The real problem is the cardenas, not us.
Opening on the left. It's good. Suspect armed.
Ran the door. Deploy flashbangs.
Breaching! Breaching!
Down
Not
slowly.
going away.
Show me your hands! Drop the gun! Police, don't fucking get down!
Doc is killed.
now!
Pick it up.
Down. Don't move. Police, hands up. Raise your hands. Now. Move. Opening on the left. I got nothing.
This is procedure.
I didn't do anything wrong. Nothing real.
You got point.
Lead, this is Talk. Great work. Keep going. A hostage has just been executed.
You're here to help, right? Please.
Safe.
This is not good.
Put your hands up. Get down slowly.
That's my face, man. That's
Turn
my
around
moneymaker.
slowly.
Staining.
Making it safe. Lead. Tom. Suspect in custody. Ready for transport.
Talk to entry team. Roger. Trailers inbound.
I'll get him ready.
Entry team to top. We got a dead civilian here.
Lead, this is Talk. Down notified.
LSPD, don't move! Drop the gun. Don't get any harder. Entry team to talk. Down.
Element, this is Talk. Notifying
Element to
him.
talk. Suspect is restrained and ready for trailers.
Talk to Element. Trailers standing by.
Stay down.
Evidence, good safe.
I swear I was just trying
Lead
to
to talk.
hide.
One suspect in custody. Search the room for contacts.
Talk reporting. We're ready for him.
Searching. Civilian is ready. Entry team to talk. Entry team to talk.
Talk to Element. Proceed with mission. Talk here.
I'll get him ready.
I got him.
Checking. I'll bag it.
Dios mío. You can't even look me in the eye, you fucking fool.
You gotta let me go.
Good to go.
Hey, amigo. You want answers? I got him.
Hands on your head, do it now! You don't need to point that at me, you don't
Dock
need
to
to
entry
shout!
team.
I'm on the
Confirming
ground.
evidence secured.
Stay here. Do not get in our way.
Doc, civilian, good to go.
Dock to lead. Proceed with mission.
This is not good.
Chico, let me go and I'll cut you in on this. Man.
Those cops are real criminals, man. Let me go.
Hey, don't walk away from me, you fuck.
Element
Let me
to talk.
do.
Dock to
Collecting
lead.
evidence.
Might I remind you that how you perform in the field reflects on the entire force. Think about that in debrief today. Roll in.